How to recover an old NGL account. Here is how to recover an old not gonna lie account even if you have deleted the app or forgotten some details. So first of all, reinstall the app from your App Store or Google Play Store, and once installed, tap on the NGL app from your home screen. Now tap on the Get Started and also make sure to fill in the same details as your previous account. Now once you have entered birthday, choose Instagram or Snapchat and tap on the continue option available there. So here I chose Instagram. Now make sure to enter the same username you did as in your previous account. Now once you have entered the exact same username, continue option available there, or you can simply tap on the skip and again skip, and that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.